ClearWater, biological washpad water recycling system. With well over 100 systems installed in the UK and Ireland, competitively priced ClearWater has fast become the preferred choice for many, particularly since the launch of the even better ClearWater 2 model. You can be confident you've made the right choice by buying a ClearWater system too. Established in 1967, we've got many years' experience in supplying, installing and maintaining high-quality washpad separators, interceptors, sewage plant and below-ground water storage. The care and attention to detail we provide is appreciated and often commented on by our customers. ClearWater is the only one of its type to be officially approved by the UK government-backed Water Technology List. Your reasons for considering a washpad recycling system are probably that you wish to improve your wash-off facility and stay within the law. In the next few minutes, we hope to show you just how effective, cost and performance-wise, the ClearWater system is, and why it should be the system you choose. First, the legal side. Many washpad areas still look like these. Very inefficient and allowing contaminated water to enter the groundwater, causing pollution. It's always been an offence to allow this to happen, but recently the groundwater regulations have been updated and strengthened. Introduced on the 30th of October 2009, the Groundwater England and Wales Regulations 2009 came into force and clearly state that hazardous substances are prohibited from entering the groundwater. Penalties have been increased steeply and can now be as much as £50,000 and/or imprisonment. The Environment Agency also has extended powers. Appropriate extracts are shown here. These are all very good reasons for installing a proper recycling system. Installing a ClearWater system with a dedicated washpad to contain all wash water is the ideal solution. What was a toxic environment is transformed into a superb, efficient and attractive wash-off facility, saving precious water and keeping you within the law. So why should ClearWater be your preferred choice? Unlike other recycling systems, it's safely installed below ground, providing a stable temperature for the microorganisms to work at peak efficiency. Being below ground has other advantages too. It's away from prying eyes and any vandals that might be interested. All you see are the turret tops. ClearWater can operate all year round, even in designated drought areas, and it's silent in operation. In fact, the only sound you hear from a ClearWater system is the water leaving the powerful wash-off guns. But don't take our word for it, go and listen to our competitors. As you can see, there's plenty of pressure from ClearWater's water guns, providing you with very effective wash-off. So how does it all work? Contaminated wash water flows from the purpose-built washpad through a primary filter and grass trap and sand filter, both of which remove most solid matter. Then enters the underground tank. Microorganisms break down the effluent in the oxygen-rich environment, producing clean water and carbon dioxide. Water passes through a large coalescing filter to the secondary storage for settling of any suspended solids that remain in the clear water. This clean water then passes to the large final storage and is fed by powerful submersible pumps to water guns. Wash water then returns into the system for treatment and the recycling process is repeated. The latest ClearWater system contains 5,000 litres of water, providing ample capacity and time for effective biological treatment. Just check the capacity of others. Unlike our competitors, ClearWater doesn't use unsightly boxes, tanks, containers or buildings for the system, all of which take up valuable washpad space. Be wary too, some washpad systems being offered are not biological and do not in fact recycle at all, but discharge. disadvantage with above ground installations too is that they suffer extreme temperature changes and can be susceptible to frost damage. This often necessitates costly protection. ClearWater systems are installed off-pad, thereby reducing concrete requirements and allowing better use of available space. Because our system doesn't have to go on a wash pad, it can be located conveniently nearby to suit the location. With ClearWater, we believe in keeping things simple, and we recognise that what you need is a reliable wash-off facility which is uncomplicated to operate and easy to maintain. We install tried and tested components and keep the engineering straightforward. We don't use sumps, pumps and waterfalls or messy grass collection apparatus. We can't see the point in taking grass clippings into a system only to remove them again. Our theory is that the grass is best kept out. After all, it's the contaminated water that's being treated. Our grass traps and sand filters are incorporated into the wash pad, and the lightweight aluminium filter boxes are easy to remove and empty. Not that much gets into the traps with the primary filter in place and the squeegee being used. The double wheel barrow with drainage is ideal to contain clippings, sand etc. and allows any excess water to return to the system. The contents of the barrow can then be used for composting. A large silt trap like the one shown here replaces grass traps on installations where large quantities of mud or wet soil are present, or big machinery is being washed off. Dosing the system couldn't be easier. Once a week, microorganisms are placed in the system through one of the ports. This takes only a few minutes. Incidentally, we don't use off-the-shelf products, but microorganisms are produced especially for our ClearWater systems. Safety is important to us too, and all systems are fitted with a sophisticated oil warning alarm that can be seen here. This warns visually and audibly of any sudden influx of oil from a large spill, for example. A coalescing filter is fitted, and an automatic shut-off valve is also installed to prevent such a spill from passing to the clean water environment. Another reason for ClearWater's success is that it's very economical to run. Our microorganisms are inexpensive. Just check out our competitors' prices. Its power requirements are very low, so it uses less electricity than comparable systems, and our annual servicing is competitively priced. For your peace of mind, all systems are fully guaranteed for 12 months, and annual inspections and servicing are carried out by our own fully trained and qualified engineers, who use liveried company vehicles. With few moving parts, there's little to go wrong on a ClearWater system. However, should a problem occur, components are designed for easy and rapid replacement, so we can have you operational again, usually within 24 hours. Just give us a call. We're here to help. Many of our customers ask us not only to install a ClearWater system, but to create a full pollution prevention area, providing fuel storage and dispensing, and often chemical storage with space for mixing. All this is possible with complete turnkey packages to suit your individual needs. We pride ourselves on making our installations as easy on the eye as possible. Our civil engineers carefully install the system below ground, and then a matrix of pipes is laid below ground to contain all cables, water and air pipes, which our commissioning engineers connect to the components they install. The result? Everything's hidden from view, with only 3 turret covers visible. And we don't leave the site until we've trained your operatives and issued an operating manual. To see what a ClearWater system can do for you, here's a selection of before and after shots. The pictures speak for themselves. Very effective wash-off facilities, tastefully created to meet the client's needs. 1, 2, 3 or 4 hoses are available. Extra electrics to power additional equipment such as fuel station. Additional crash barrier. We will supply and install what you decide you want. So whether you're a golf course, sports facility, school, heritage site, machinery dealer, local authority, or have small plant and vehicles to clean, with ClearWater, wash-off was never easier. Customer satisfaction is important to us too, and we're encouraged by the number of letters or calls from satisfied clients. Phil Sutton from Baildon Golf Club wrote saying, "I wanted to thank the whole course care team for the professionalism shown in the installation of our ClearWater system. I'm confident we made the right decision in choosing ClearWater." Hotels Group Golf Courses manager David Norton was so impressed with the first ClearWater system at Forest Pines, he had no hesitation in installing another when new facilities were being built. The other courses in the group have also installed ClearWater systems, and David's happy to recommend the system to others. Jim Burkitt from Home Hall Golf Club told us, "I'm most impressed. You've provided us with a first-class facility. It's a delight to use, and I'm happy to demonstrate it to anyone considering buying a system." ClearWater, using minimal power coupled with low maintenance costs and times, represents exceptional value for money. We believe it to be the most cost-effective and unobtrusive recycling system of its type on the market. It's also worth noting that as we have the coveted WTL certification as an approved water-saving technology, you will now be able to benefit from 100% first-year capital allowances on your expenditure using the ECA Enhanced Capital Allowance Scheme. Check our website for more details. We are also able to offer finance or leasing options too if this is of interest. ClearWater. Affordable, silent, below ground, and this is all you see. Call us now on 0845 600 3572 or 0044 1535 61103 for prices and more information. Or check our website www.course-care.co.uk.